Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn economics in an easy way step by step. Start with supply and demand, opportunity cost, and marginal thinking using short daily sessions and practical examples. Follow with micro then macro, discuss ideas with peers, and use real problems to reinforce concepts while staying consistent and curious with your studies. Use a mix of concise textbooks, lecture videos, and interactive graphs to keep learning engaging and manageable. Schedule short study blocks, apply concepts to news or budgets, and solve small problems often. Discuss topics with a study partner or online group to test ideas, and keep a simple notebook of models and formulas for quick review before moving to advanced subjects. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos and keep learning content coming. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for study days and stays cold, so you stay focused and hydrated between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on regular practice by applying concepts to real situations like budgeting or market examples, then solve progressively harder problems to build confidence. Use flashcards for key terms and explain ideas aloud or teach someone else to reinforce memory. Track improvement with quick self-quizzes and adjust your routine to focus on concepts that feel unclear while celebrating small wins along the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.